Yo, what is going on everyone? Welcome back to another video. It's Scott here. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, turn your post notifications on, and smash that like button. For today's video, I wanted to go over a insane steal that we recently got. Huge shout out to Soulmates. We did a fire video with them. It is coming soon. I'm super excited to share that with you all, so you guys definitely have to stay tuned. But when we were in the shop, I managed to find a classic sneaker for an amazing deal. So enough about that, let's get on to the video. These are the Oreos. So I believe these released in 2010, 2011, something like that. But this was a grail to me back when I was in middle school. So I actually did used to own this back in the day, but this pair is so clean, super icy. As you can see, the bottom is, for its age, it's still amazing condition, and this was before the icy blue sole. So if you didn't know, to some of the new heads in the game and like the younger generation, any of the Jordans with the translucent sole and midsole did come with a clear sole rather than the icy ones that you see in today. Considering the age and also the design of the sneaker, this is a super clean one, like almost flawless. The bottoms are still nice and white and with minimal use, like no heel drag or anything. But we managed to cop these Oreo 6s for only $100. This is insane. This honestly has like actual value to me because I used to own this and rock this a lot. I was super into Jordans when I was in middle school and high school. I kind of have like stepped away from Jordans. I'm more into like Supreme and those hypebeast accessories and toys. I'm really glad I was able to add some more Jordans, and I've really been feeling the Air Jordan 1 lows lately, so I'm kind of making my way back into like the sneaker scene and also Jordans with a lot of releases coming out in the future. Honestly, I just could not sleep on these. Let me know what you guys think of the Oreo 6s. These are a classic grail, a white and black colorway. You really cannot go wrong with this sneaker. And of course, we gotta talk about the sneakers details and also the fit and comfort as well. So the 6s are extremely comfortable. And a fun fact about the design is Michael Jordan actually played in the 6s, so these did swoop outwards. So because the Jordan 4s, which had a heel tab, used to dig into his ankles, so they did re-innovate this to make it more comfortable for Michael Jordan to make better cuts, and so that he's more comfortable when he's playing in the games. So this is a nice little fun fact and history about it. It does fit true to size and fits amazing. This is honestly an easy 10 out of 10 sneaker. You really can't go wrong with such a simple sneaker. It does have the Oreo speckles around the midsole, so really nice paint job on it. As well as on the heel tab, it does have the Oreo color paint design on it, as well as the little white strip right here. And it does feature the Jumpman on the back, just like any normal 6. This isn't an OG colorway, but it would look sick if it did have a Nike Air. As you guys know, if a Jordan does have the Nike Air, it makes it so much better, and that's just kind of the OG look. Usually only the OG colorways do have Nike Air. On the insoles are dead stock pretty much. As you can see, still the Jumpman is fully intact and just amazing condition. You can even give it a little whiff. You know, if you are a sneakerhead and you have not smelled your sneakers, you really are not a real sneakerhead. Honestly, everyone has smelled sneakers before, and obviously you don't want to smell sneakers that are like super worn and beat, but these are still VNDS, so they do still have a little hint of that new sneaker smell. Another cool detail is the lace lock. It does have the Oreo colorway as well, so they started doing lace locks with the Jordan 5s. They also came out with like the 6s and several other Jordans. This is just a very iconic silhouette in my opinion, and I'm really happy that I managed to get it. It also does feature leather around and also like a nubuck suede material on these like patches over here, pretty much similar to the Carmine 6s that recently released like a couple years back. So that's like a good reference when it comes to like the detail quality for people who probably are new heads. They probably were around when they released. I think the Carmines were 2016, so not too long ago, but that's a nice reference when it comes to like the material and fit of this sneaker. Another hint of it being an OG older sneaker is the fact that it has the normal Jordan box. So people don't see this a lot nowadays because most of the Jordan boxes do look completely different than this, or they do have the typical retro cement print box, but this is a classic. This is probably like anything in the early 2000s to all the way up to 2010. They had this simple Jordan box really clean. It's honestly just a nice simple box. It looks cool and a lot different than the stuff that you see today. So I just pretty much wanted to share this recent pickup with you guys just because I got it for an amazing deal. So much love to Soulmates. Like I said before, you guys definitely want to stay tuned for this video. It's gonna be straight fire. I am not playing with you guys. You guys are gonna love it. It's a very long video, but it has a lot of crazy content in it. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Comment down below what you think of the Oreo 6s and also the price that I got it for, because honestly, that is a price that you just cannot sleep on. I actually looked it up on StockX right now. These dead stock are going for like 400. So this flawless condition, the fact that I got it for a fourth of the price, I think that's an amazing deal. I could always flip it or I could make it a personal pair. Still not really sure what I'm going to do with it, but I'm really happy to have it in the collection for now. Make sure you guys stay tuned for more content. Until next time, I'll see y'all in the next one.